Gift cards are one of the easiest products you can add to your business, and most people skip them because they think setup is complicated. Well, it's not. In just a few minutes, you can create a fully branded gift card that's ready to send, sell, and reuse again and again. The key is knowing exactly what to set up and what to skip. You're about to walk through how to create a gift card product inside your software. Choose the right settings and apply a professional design without overthinking it. To make this even easier, you also have access to 10 ready-to-use Canva gift card designs that you can customize and upload right away. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a live gift card product that looks great and works exactly the way it should. Let's set up your first gift card from start to finish. This is the part that brings your gift card to life. Once you set up one, you're going to get really excited and want to do more and more. So let's go ahead and go to payments. Before we jump in to set up your gift card, it's going to be really important that you set up your payment integration if you haven't done so already. My recommendation would be to click on the payments, then click on integrations. And when you select payment integrations, we've got the most popular: Stripe, PayPal, NMI, Authorized Net, and Square. You can also search for more payment options as well. Just be sure to select connect, follow the instructions, and connect your payment. Once you've got your payment processor all set up, let's go ahead and create a gift card. When you select the button to create a gift card, it's going to take you through this easy process. First, we're going to enter the basic information. We can call this any type of name. This could be a loyalty, this could be a holiday promo, this could be a New Year gift card, or it could be just a standard company gift card. Let's call this gift card, and this will be a general gift card. This is a general gift card, can be used towards our products. You could say or services, whatever you'd like. With every gift card, you might want to put in an expiration date. Most gift cards will run year to year. I'm going to leave the expiration date blank. Here you'll see a URL. You can provide a URL to guide your recipient on how to redeem their gift card. Select this if you don't want to include a link with the gift card, or you can select this option, link, to link a URL. So you can do no link or link. Where this works best is if you're doing a promotion or you have a sign up page or a funnel page and you have a link to that URL where they can redeem that gift card for a specific product or a specific service. You may want to use the link. I'm going to select no link because this is a general gift card. Right down here, you've got this box for terms and conditions. This is where you can put you agree to our terms and conditions. Let's just put must use within 1 year of purchase date. Or you can say gift card does not expire, or you can put in a link right here to your terms and conditions. You could do terms and conditions and then link a URL right here to put terms and conditions and have it open in a new window. I'm going to go ahead and select continue. So you'll see right here the customized card. Select or upload your artwork. So let's say we wanted to just create a gradient card. If you select create gradient card, this is where you can select your colors. We could do, let's do a darker blue to a super light blue. You wanted to pick your gradient card and brand it. That's how you would add your gradient. And then I would give your gradient a name, blue gradient, whatever you want to call it. Here's the direction of the gradient. So if you want to go from right to left, you want to make it diagonal gradient, top to bottom, you can play with this. You can also add this as a template to use it for later. I want to show you something more fun, and we've provided you with an amazing Canva link so you can use some pre-designed gift cards. You'll also be able to edit these and brand them to your own business. I'm going to select one to upload our custom artwork. Let's go ahead and hit edit, and you'll see right here I've got to upload my image. So I'm going to select upload. I'm uploading my gift card from my local desktop folder. And look at that. There is our custom template. Now you can do holidays, you can do Valentine's Day, whatever is going to work for your gift card theme. We can also edit or delete it. I'm going to select continue. This is where you select your denomination options. So right here, set values, tax, and category. Define denominations, tax options, and product categories. So let's say with this gift card, we want to have a few denominations. Let's select $25. So we'll have one $25 gift card. Let's add a $50 gift card, a $100 gift card, and a $200 gift card. There we have it, 25, 50, 100, and 200. So we wanted to change that. I'm going to X that out. Let's go to 75. I'm going to select add, then we'll do 100. But now we've got a 25, 50, 75, and 100. You can define the quantity. This is controlling how many gift cards can be sold. If a quantity is defined, it applies individually to each denomination. You can also choose whether to allow sales after stock run out. So here's an example. If you define the quantity of 100, that means we've got, according to this means it applies to each individual denomination, which means you have 125 gift cards, $150 gift cards, 175 gift cards, and 100 gift cards. I'm going to uncheck that one. Allow sales when out of stock. You may want to check that if you want to allow it to continue to have more sales. Let's say you're doing a promotion and you're sending out an email to your entire customer list. You may not want to stop those sales, so be sure to allow sales when out of stock, especially if you're doing a promotion. You can uncheck this to only define the 100 quantity and then they're out. You can also add tax. You'll see a little notation. This gives you the flexibility to sell your products with or without tax, depending on your business and compliance needs. Enable this option to apply automatic tax calculation based on the assigned product tax code. If left unchecked, tax will not be applied at checkout. So if you check this, it'll add your tax. If you uncheck it, they will not be applied. And where it says categories, let's say you're going to do a few different categories. Let's do this. I'm going to call this a general category. We'll go ahead and create that category. And let's, for fun, go ahead and create one that says holiday. Now I've got a general category and a holiday. This one, remember we called this our general business gift card. So I'm just going to put general. Down here to the bottom right, I'm going to go ahead and select continue. Now it's time to review our card. So let's finalize the card details. Here's a look at the preview. You'll see the gift card. You'll see the $25 right here. The gift card code, it expires never. And then this is the QR code. Then right here, you'll see we put in terms and conditions. If you put in a link or a URL, the expiration date would go here. And then you can see we've got 25, 50, 75, 100 values. We've got 100 available. Sell when out of stock. No product tax code. I'm going to go ahead and select create gift card. There we have it, our first gift card. So now every time you go into your payments and your gift cards, you're going to see your gift card. And all I'm doing is hovering over to see the back and the URL. We added a product name. We gave it a short description that explains what the card covers. You can also add the terms and conditions. We added our own artwork branding, which was a gradient or an image. We chose our denominations, the amount of money the card is worth. You can offer one or several. For example, we did 25, 50, 75, and 100. You control the price. Enter amount counts as separate options, but stay under one product. You also set your inventory. Remember, if you want to limit how many gift cards you sell, set inventory for each denomination. If you want unlimited sales, leave inventory blank. We also set the expiration date, in which case we didn't put an expiration date. Some businesses add one to encourage faster redemptions. Others leave it open. Both options will work. We saved our product and our gift card is now ready for selling and sending. Next, we'll connect the gift card to a checkout so your customers can actually buy it. Your gift card product is now set up and ready to use. You've created the gift card, chosen your amounts, applied a design, and saved it so it's all ready to send or sell at any time. This is the foundation for everything else you'll do with gift cards moving forward. Here's your action step. Choose one of the Canva gift card designs and customize it with your brand, colors, and text. Upload it to your gift card product and then save your checkout or product link somewhere easy to access. Once this is done, you don't need to recreate it. The single gift card can be reused for promotions, rewards, holidays, everyday sales. Simple setup now means easy opportunities later.